How are you prep 2? Today we'll explain from a student's book, lesson number 6, unit 3, in geometric. The distance between 2 points in the coordinate plane, like A and B. We can find the distance between A and B by find using the rule. We know order of point 8 and 2 and order of point E equal 10, 8. We can find distance by using the rule. Square root of x2 minus x1 over 2 and y2 minus y1 over 2 under square root. You can use the rule. Distance between the points A and B. D refers to the distance. Square root x2 minus x1 power 2 plus y2 minus 1 power 2. Okay, listen about example number 1. Look. Question 1 and 2, you can read this. I will solve self-evaluation number 1. Okay. First, find the length of AB if A 5 and negative 7 and B question, okay, and B equal 2 and negative 3. Look, we have point A 5 and negative 7 and point B 2 and negative 3. Then AB equal, look, we have 2 minus 5 all power 2 plus negative 3 minus 7, it will be negative 3 plus 7 all power 2. Okay, negative 3 minus 7, it will be negative 3 plus 7 all power 2. Then AB equal 2 minus 5 negative 3 power 2 is 9, and negative 3 plus 7 4 power 2 equals 16. The answer will be square root of 25 equal 5. The length will be 5 length unit. Okay, the distance between A and B is question number 1. Question number 2 is the distance between 2 points is 2 root 5. Find the possible value of K. Okay, we have point A, the order was negative 1 and 3, and the point B, K and 5. As the distance between EB was 2 root 5. We know the distance between 2 points. Right, K minus 1 all power 2, this will be K plus 1, and 5 minus 3 all power 2. Then 2 root 5 equal to square root of K plus 1 power 2 in brackets 5 minus 3 2 power 2 4. Then we can write left hand side power 2 and right hand side power 2 to cancel the square root. Put power 2 and put power 2. 2 root 5 or power 2, it will be 4 times 5. Square root of power 2, we can cancel the square root by power. Then we have K plus 1 or power 2 plus 4. 4 plus times 5 is 20. 20 equal K plus 1 power 2 plus 4. Then move 4 here to left hand side. 20 minus 4 equals 16. Then K plus 1 all power 2 equals 16. And the value of K plus 1 equal positive or negative square root of 16. We have two solution. K plus 1 equal positive or negative 4. We have here 4. Then K plus 1 equal negative 4 or 4. The value of K here will be 3, and value of K equal negative 4 minus 1, it will be negative 5. The value of K equal negative 5 and value of K equal 3. We have two solutions of K. The possible values of K, negative 5 and 3. Next question, example number 2. Look, we have here triangle ABC. We can find the parameter sum of 3 sides. Question number 2, self-evaluation. I will solve this question. Find the parameter of triangle. The parameter equals sum of 3 sides. First step, we can find the length of EB. We have point A is order of it equal 5 and 6. And point B 29 and 13. And point C 5 and 31. We can find the length of EB. 29 minus 5 power 2 and 13 minus 6 29 minus 5 power 2, it will be 24 power 2. 13 minus 6, 7 power 2. Then we can find the answer by using calculator. Square root of 24 power 2 plus 7 power 2, and the result will be 25. Then AB equal 25 length unit. Next, BC. Using the rule, B and C, like 5 minus 29 power 2 and 31 minus 13 power 2. Okay, 31 minus 13. 5 minus 29, it will be negative 24 power 2, and 31 minus 13, it will be 11 minus 3 equal 8. The result will be 8 power 2. Square root of 24 power 2 plus 8 power 2. The result will be 8 root 10. Okay. B and C. We have 5 and 31, 29 and 13. 31 minus 13 equal 8. Or 18. Just 31 minus 13 equal 18. 18 power 2. The answer would be 30. Equals 30 length unit. And then AC, A and C, 5 minus 5 power 2, 31 minus 6 power 2. So 5 minus 5, 0, and 31 minus 6, we have 25. The result will be 25 power 2. Then the length will be square root of 25 power 2, it will be 25 length units. We know the sum of only two sides AB plus BC greater than EC. In a triangle, sum of any two sides greater than the third. In the parameter, be here reversed to the parameter of triangle equal 25, 8 to 30, 8 to 25. This triangle, we called it isosceles. We have two sides equivalent the lengths. Isosceles triangle. Then 50 plus 30 equal 80 lengths units. The parameter will be 80 lengths unit. Next question. This is example number 2. Okay. Next question. Distance between point and the original point. We can use this rule. Square root x power 2 plus y power 2. For example, we can find the distance between the point A and the original point. Square root 9 plus 16 equal 5. Example number 3, you can find the distance between each point to the original point. To find the chip, the distance made approximately from the board. Next question also, number 3. The figure here, number 3, the question. We have point A and point B. Calculate the parameter of triangle ABC round is the result to the nearest unit. Okay, we have 3 points. Point A. The point A, order of point A was 1 and 3, and point O 0 and 0, and point B negative 4 and 2. We can find the length of OA, square root 1 power 2 plus 3 power 2, because we can find the distance between original point and point A. Square root x power 2 plus y power 2. 1 plus 3, 4, square root of, oh, no, 1 and 9, square root of 10 length unit. It's OA and OB. O and B finds the distance. Square root of negative 4 power 2, it will be 16, and 2 power 2 is 4, square root of 20. The result will be 4 times 5, it will be 2 root 5 length unit. So OP and EB, A and B, right? 1 minus 4, it will be 1 plus 4, and 3 minus 2, all power 2. 1 plus 4 5, 5 power 2 is 25. 3 minus 2 1, 1 power 2 equal 1. The result will be square root of 26. Okay, 1 plus 4 5, 5 power 2 25, and 3 minus 2 1, 1 power 2 1. The result will be square root length unit, square root of 26. Then he wants to find the perimeter of triangle. Equal, we can collect square root of 10 plus 2 square root of 5 plus square root of 26. Square root of 10 plus 2 square root of 5 plus square root of 26. And the result will be 12 and 37 hundredths. We can approximate it to the nearest unit. It will be 12, it will be 13, because 7 give 1 to left hand side. The result will be 13 length unit. In the perimeter equals 13 length unit. Okay, understood? Next question. It's rule here. For any points A, B, and C longer than AB and BC, then corner of the grid side equals sum of two sides. The points are vertices of triangle if the sum of any two sides greater than the third. Look at this question. Number 4, self-evaluation. You want to find the distance between points. Which of the following 6 points are collinear? He asked which of these points are collinear. To prove that the 3 points collinear, you must find the lengths between 3 points AB and BC and CA. This question, okay, left hand side here is question number 1. Point A 4 and 7, and point B -5 and 19, and point C equals 7 and 3. Point A and B, -5 minus 4 power 2, and 19 minus 7 power 2. -5 minus 4, -9 power 2, it will be 81. 19 minus 7, 12. 12 power 2, 144. Square root of 81 plus 144 square root equal 15 length unit. The result will be 15 length unit. And what about BC? We can write square root of 7 minus 5, 7 plus 5. Change the sign here, all power 2, and 3 minus 19 equal square root of 7 plus 5, 12 over 2 will be 144. 3 minus 19 all power 2. 3 minus 19, it will be 16 power 2, 265 plus 144 equal 400. Square root equal 20 length units. And the third, we have AC, A and C, 7 minus 4 power 2, and 3 minus 7 power 2. 7 minus 4, 3. 3 power 2 is 9. 3 minus 7, -4. Power 2, 16. Square root, it will be 5 length unit. Look at here, the greatest number was 20. BC was equal to AB plus AC. BC equal AB plus AC. 20 equal 15 plus 5. Then A, B, and C are collinear. The points A, B, and C, they are collinear. They are collinear because the greatest number equivalent to the smallest number. This is question number 1. Okay, what about question number 2? Number 2 here, look at here. So evaluation number 4, give me point A, 5 and -5, and point B negative 1 and 7 and 7, point C 15 and 15. We can find the lengths AP, negative 1 minus 5, A and B here, negative 5, negative 1 minus 5, all power 2, and 7 minus 5, it will be 7 plus 5 power 2. Negative 1 minus 5, negative 6 power 2 is 36. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 power 2, 144. We have square root of 144 plus 36. The result will be 6 root 5. Length unit. 6 root 5 length unit. This AB. And what about PC? B and C? We have 15 minus 1, it will be 15 plus 1 power 2, and 15 minus 7. 15 plus 1, 16, 16 power 2, 256. So 15 minus 7 equal 8, 8 power 2 equals 64. Then we can find square root of 65 plus 64. Result will be 8 root 5. 8 root 5 length unit. This is PC. The last one, AC. A and C. 15 minus 5 power 2. And 15 minus 5 power 2. 15 plus 5. 15 minus 5, 10 power 2, 100. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 power 2 will be 400. It will be square root of 500 equal 10 root 5. Length unit. Look at here. 8 root 5 greater, or 10 is greater. 10 root 5 comparing between 6 root 5 and 8 root 5. Then the 3 points are vertices of triangle, not collinear. Okay, it's not collinear because this number not equal to, less than. Then A and B and C we call vertices of triangle are, they are vertices of triangle. Okay, understood? They are vertices of triangle, not collinear. Next question, you can read this example. Okay? Example number 5. Prove that the points are vertices parallelogram. Okay, to prove that the points parallelogram, all sides are equal in lengths, or each two of the sides are equal in lengths. To prove that about parallelogram, and to prove this rectangle, must prove that each two of the sides are equal in lengths. First step, prove that ABCD is parallelogram, and then parallelogram will be rectangle if two diagonals are equal in lengths. So you can find 6 sides here about this question. First, prove that ABCD parallelogram, and then prove that ABCD is rectangle by prove that two diagonals are equal in lengths. First step, we give me point A. The order of point A 3 and negative 2, and point B 4 and 1, and point C negative 2 and 3, and point D negative 3 and 0. We can find the length of AB. Look, 4 minus 3, 1, 1 power 2 equal 1. 1 minus 2, 1 plus 2 equal 3. 3 power 2 is 9. The result will be square root of 10. And what about PC? Listen. Negative 2 minus 4, negative 6. Negative 6 power 2, 36. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 power 2 equal 4. Square root of 40. The result will be 2 square root of 10. Length unit. AB, BC, CD. Negative 3 minus 2. It will be negative 3 plus 2 all power 2. 0 minus 3. or power 2. Negative 3 plus 2, 1. 1 power 2 equal 1. Negative 3 power 2 is 9. The result will be square root of 10 length unit. And dA, negative 3 minus 3 or power 2. 0 minus minus 2, it will be 0 plus 2 or power 2. Negative 3 minus 3 equals negative 6 power 2, 36. 0 plus 2, 2, 2 power 2, 4. And the result will be square root of 40. Then we have 2 square root of 10. Then AB equal CD and BC equal DA. Then ABCD is a parallelogram. We prove that the first step ABCD parallelogram. Now we will prove ABCD convert from parallelogram to rectangle if two diagonals are equal. Then I will find AC, the length between A and C. Okay, the first diagonal AC. Look, AC here. Negative 2 minus 3 or power 2. Negative 2 minus 3, negative 5. Negative 5 power 2 is 25. And 3 minus minus 2, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 power 2 is 25. The result will be 5 root 2 length unit. And what about BD? We found EC, now we can find BD. B and D here. Negative 3 minus 4 or power 2. Negative 3 minus 4, negative 7. Negative 7 power 2, 49. Plus 0 minus 1 minus 1 power 2, it will be 1. The result will be square root of 50. The same here, 5 root 2. Then EC equal BD. Then ABCD is a rectangle. This is the first condition, and this second condition. From relation number 1 and 2, then ABCD is rectangle because each opposite side are equal in lengths and two diagonal equal in lengths. The vertices of rectangle. Okay. Next question. Number 6. You can read this question. You know, any point in the circle has the same side to the center. Okay. Listen about this question. Self evaluation number 6. Okay, I will solve this question number 6 here. We have point A is the distance equidistant from 2 points B and C. Finds a possible value of K. We have point A. He gives me information. The point A is equidistant from 2 points B and C. AB equal AC. AB equal AC. We can find the length of AB first. Look, we have point A was 15 minus and negative 9, and point B negative 5 and K, and C equal 8 and 50. First we can find the length of AB. A and B here. Listen, negative 5 minus 15 or power 2. K minus minus 9, it will be K plus 9 or power 2. Square root of negative 5 plus negative 15, negative 20, power 2, it will be 400. K plus 9 or power 2. And what about EC? A and C. Okay. 8 minus 15 power 2. And 15 minus minus 9, it will be 15 plus 9. Change the sign here, okay? 15 plus 9 power 2. 8 minus 15, negative 7. Power 2, it will be 49. 15 plus 9 equal 24. 24 power 2, 576. plus 49. Square root of the answer will be 25. 25 length unit. The left hand side equal right hand side. Okay, such that AB equal EC, then the result here equivalent. Square root of 400 plus k plus 9 all power 2 equal 25. Then we can write power 2 to left hand side, right hand side. Then under square root here 400 plus k plus 9 all power 2 equals 625. Move 400 to left hand side, change, then we have k plus 9 power 2, 625, subtract 400 equal 225. Then k plus 9 equal positive or negative. Square root of 225 is 15. Then k plus 9 equal 15, or k plus 9 is negative 15. The first k will be equal 15 minus 9 equals 6. The value of k equals 6. Negative 15 minus 9, it will be negative 24. Then the value of k will be 6 or negative 24. We have two solutions of k. Next example. Lesson assessment number 1. Choose the correct answer. What is the distance between the point A and the original point? We can find the distance by using the rule x power 2 plus power 2 y power 2 under square root. Then this question number 1, we have 3 power 2, it will be 9, and 4 power 2 16. The result will be 5 length unit. Choose letter C. Next question. We have point A and B. What is the length of AB? We can use the rule. Listen to me. We have negative 3 minus 0 power 2. It will be negative 3 power 2. It will be 9. And 0 minus 4. It will be negative 4 power 2 is 16. Square root. It will be 5 length unit. Choose letter C. Next question. Both Amal and Summer calculate the distance between 2 points and their answer as follows. Which of two solution is correct? We can find the distance between A and B like this. 4 minus 5 and 15 minus 3 power 2. This is not solution correct. Amal is not correct because she distributes the power. No. The first Amal solution is not correct. Amal is not correct because she distributes the square root. Because she distributes square root. It's false. Don't distribute the square root here. But Summer solution is correct because negative 9 power 2 81 plus 12 power 2 144, and then finds the answer. Next question. Find lengths of AB of each of the following. First, number 1, we have point A negative 1 and 2, and point B 3 and 5. We can find the distance between A and B. 3 minus 1, it will be 4. 4 power 2. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 power 2. The result will be 5 length units. 16 plus 9, 25. Square root, it will be 5 length unit. Question number 2. The point A was 2 and 1, and point B was negative 2 and 3. We can find the distance between A and B. Negative 2 minus 2 power 2, and 3 minus 1 power 2. Negative 2 minus 2, negative 4 power 2 is 16. 3 minus 1, 2 power 2, 4. Square root of 20. It will be 2 square root of 5 length unit. Number 3, we have point A 8 and negative 4, and the point B negative 7 and 4. Then AB equal negative 7 minus 8, 4 minus 4, 4 plus 4. Negative 7 minus 8, it will be negative 15, power 2, it will be 225. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus power 2 equal be 64. 4 plus 5 is 9, 6 plus 2 equal 8, and write 2. Square root of 289. The result will be 17 length unit. We have AB and AB here. Okay, is this a solution about C questions here? Choose the correct answer now. Number 5. If the distance between 2 points A and B equal to root 5, what is the set possible values of x? Okay, we can find the length between 2 points. We have A and B. The distance between together using the rule. Listen, we have 3 minus. You can see we have point A. The order is x and 0, and point B was 3 and 2, and the distance between together equal to root 5. The distance between A and B equal to root 5. Okay, AB equal to root 5. First, we can write x minus 3 power 2 plus 2 minus 0, 2 power 2. Then 2 root 5 equal square root of x minus 3 power 2 plus 2 power 2 is 4. Put power 2 to left hand side, right hand side. 2 power 2, 4. 4 times 5 is 20. And then x minus 3 power 2 plus 4. Then x minus 3 all power 2 equal 20 minus 4 is 16. So x minus 3 equal positive or negative square root of 16 equal positive or negative 4. So we have two solutions. X minus 3 equal 4, or x minus 3 is negative 4. Then x equals 7, and x equal negative 4 plus 3, it will be negative 1. The value of x will be 7 or negative 1. Then the solution here will be negative 1 and 7. Negative 1 and 7. The answer will be letter A. Choose letter A. Next question. Number 6. What is the area of circle whose center of the point A passing through point B? You want to find the area of circle. We know area of the circle equal by r power 2. The center was A, and circle passing through the point P of order 9 and negative 4. Then we can find the radius here equal EP. Okay, the radius AB equal square root of, we have point A was negative 3 and 5. 9 minus 3, it will be 9 plus 3 power 2, and 4 negative 4 minus 5 power 2. 9 plus 3 12, 12 power 2 144, and negative 4 plus negative 5 will be negative 9 power 2 81. 1 plus 4 5, 8 plus 4 12, 2 and the carry of 1, 1 plus 1 2. The result will be 15 length unit. The answer here will be 15 length unit. The radius will be 15 length unit. Okay, then the area by r power 2 by product by radius here 15 power 2, it will be 225 by square units. Square units. The result will be 225. It shows letter P. Shows letter P. Next question. What is the length of BC? Look at here, BC is twice DE, because DE is the mid segment, and BC twice DE. First we can find the length of DE. We have negative 3 minus 1 all power 2 plus negative 1 minus 2 all power 2. Then PC equal square root of negative 3 minus 1 negative 4 power 2 is 16, negative 1 minus 2 negative 3 power 2, it will be 9, The result will be square root of 25. It will be 5 length units. Then BC equal 5 length units. Then DC is twice of PC because PC is the mid segment. 2 times 5 equal 10. Then the answer will be 10 length unit. It shows the answer letter B. Shows letter B here. Next question. The given figure, the intersection point of the medians of triangle ABC. What is the length of MD? We have here right angle triangle, and AD is the median. AD is the median. The length of AD half of BC. Okay, half of BC, because AD is the median right angle triangle. Then the length of AD half of BC. We can find the length of BC. B was 5 and 15, and point C was -10 and -9. -10 minus 8, -10 minus 8 power 2, -9 minus 15 power 2. Then BC equals square root of -10 and -8 will be 18 power 2. -18 power 2 equal 324, and -5, 9 plus 15, 24. 24 power 2, 576. We can find the answer plus 324, and then square root of the answer equals 30. Then BC equals 30 length unit. Then AD will be half of BC. Okay, AD half of BC. Then the result will be 15 length unit. This line segment here 15. And M, what is the length of M? You won't find the length of DM. DM is a third of AD because M is the intersection point between two the medians. Okay, the intersection point of the medians in triangle. Then MD, you won't find the length DM. Then DM, third of AD, third of 15. It will be 5 length unit. 15 divided by 3 equal 5. Okay. Next question answers the following. Prove that the points here are collinear. Okay, we can prove the points are collinear by find the length of AB and BC and CA. If the greatest side equal the sum of two small sides, we called it collinear. C points is the same straight line. We have point A. Then we can find the length of AB. Look, 3 minus 3, it will be 3 plus 3 all power 2. And -2 minus 7 power 2. 3 plus 3 6, 6 power 2 is 36. -2 minus 7, it will be 9. -9 power 2, it will be 81. The result will be square root of 6 plus 1 7, 8 plus 3 11. Square root of 117, the result will be 3 root 13. By using calculator to find the answer. Okay, and next line segment B and C. Look, B and C. -1 minus 3 power 2, and 4 minus 2, it will be 4 plus 2 power 2. Okay, -1 minus 3, -4 power 2, it will be 16. 4 plus 2 6, 6 power 2 is 36. 36 plus 16, square root of 52 equal 2 square root of 30 length unit. And what about AC? A and C, we have -1 minus 3, it will be -1 plus 3. Exchange the sign. And here we have A and C here. 4 minus 7 all power 2. -1 minus 3, 2. 2 power 2 is 4. And 4 minus 7, -3 power 2 is 9. The result will be square root of 13. We have gets number AB. Then AB equal BC plus AC, then A, B, and C are collinear. Okay, because the greatest number 3 root 13 equal to root 13 plus root 13. Then A and B and C are collinear in the same straight line. Next question, prove that the points A and B and C are vertices of triangle. Determine its type with respect its angle. Okay. First step, we can find the length of AB. Then I will solve this question down here. Pay attention with me about AB. AB. Okay, this AB here. Listen, -1 minus 7 all power 2. -1 minus 7 power 2 plus 2 minus 4. It will be 2 plus 4 power 2 equals square root of -1 minus 7 -8 power 2 is 64. 2 plus 4 6 power 2 is 36. We can find the result will be 10 length unit. That's AB. And then BC. B and C here. 5 minus 1, it will be 5 plus 1 power 2. Plus, we have 5 minus 1 and -6 minus 2 power 2. 5 plus 1, 6 power 2 is 36. -6 minus 2, -8. -8 power 2 is 64. The result will be length unit 10. And what about AC? A and C here, we can write 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7 power 2. And 6, listen, -6 minus 4. -6 here, minus 4 to be -6 plus 4. All power 2. 5 minus 7, if -2 power 2, 4. And -6 plus 4, -2 power 2 is 4. The result will be 4 times 2, it will be 2 root 2. Length unit. Then, this triangle we called it isosceles. We have two sides are equivalent. He won't find determine such that first AB plus BC is greater than AC, then A, B, and C are vertices of triangle. Are vertices of triangle. Okay. Then, what's the type of this triangle according to its angle? We can combine between the first greatest number, AC power 2. The greatest number will be what? We have 100 and this here 100. It will be isosceles. This is acute angle triangle. It's isosceles triangle, but I want combining between the greatest number power 2. Like we have 10 and 10. And 2 root 2. We have square root of 8, square root of 100, square root of 100. Combining between the greatest number, like AB power 2, we have AB equal to BC. Okay, AB equal BC equal 10 length unit. We have two sides equivalent and this line segment 2 root 2. Then we have acute angle triangle. This triangle and acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. Okay, we have acute angle triangle. Understood? Prove that point A, B, and C are vertices of right angle triangle and calculate its area. Okay. First, we can find the length of AB. We have A and B here. 8 minus 3 all power 2. And 7 minus 2 power 2. 8 minus 3, 5. 5 power 2 is 25. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 over 2 is 25. The result will be 5 root 2. And what about BC? Look at here, B and C. 1 minus 8, listen, 1 minus 8 power 2. And 4 minus 7 power 2. 1 minus 8, negative 7. Negative 7 power 2, it will be 49. 4 minus 7, negative 3. Negative 3 power 2 is 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 8 and they carry a 1. The result will be square root of 85. 58. Square root of 58 equal, we have 1 minus 8, 7 power 2, 49, and 4 minus 7, negative 3 power 2 is 9. B and C, okay, B and C. 1 minus 8, negative 7 power 2, and 4 minus 7, negative 3 power 2, 9. The result will be square root of 58. And AC, we have C and A. 1 minus 3 power 2, 1 minus 3 power 2, and 4 minus 2 power 2. 1 minus 3, negative 2 power 2 is 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 power 2 is 4. Square root of 8 equal 2 root 2. Mention it. You want to prove that the type of triangle, we have here square root of 50 and here square root of 8. Okay, we want to prove that this right angle triangle, we can write the greatest number ABC power 2 equals square root of 58 power 2. It will be 58. And AB power 2 plus EC power 2. AB power 2 equals 50, square root of 50 power 2, it will be 50, and EC was square root of 8 power 2, it will be 8, equal 58. And we know AB plus BC is greater than AC, and then BC power 2 is equivalent to AB power 2 plus AC power 2. Then we have right angle triangle. Okay, prove number 12. Prove that the points A, B, C, and D are vertices of parallelogram using the allowed distance between 2 points. Okay, we can find the length of AB first. We have point A was 2 and 3, and point B was 1, negative 1. Point C, negative 4 and negative 3, and D will be negative 3 and 1. Then we can find the length of AB. 1 minus 2 power 2, negative 1 minus 3 power 2, 1 minus 2, negative 1 power 2, it will be 1, and negative 1 minus 3, negative 4 power 2 equals 16. The result will be square root of 17. And BC, B and C here, negative 4 minus 1 power 2, negative 4 minus 1 power 2, negative 3 minus 1, it will be negative 3 plus 1 power 2. Negative 4 minus 1, negative 5 power 2, it will be 25. Negative 3 plus 1, negative 2 power 2, it will be 4. The result will be square root of 29. ABC, this BC is CD. Look, CD, negative 3 minus 4, it will be negative 3 plus 4 power 2, and 1 minus 3, it will be 1 plus 3 all power 2. Negative 3 plus 4, 1, 1 power 2 is 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 power 2 equals 16. The result will be square root of 17 length unit. And then DA, right, negative 3 minus 2 all power 2, and 1 minus 3 power 2. Negative 3 minus 2 all power 2, negative 5 power 2 to 25. 1 minus 3, negative 2 power 2 is 4. The result will be square root of 29. Then we have two dimension, AB equal to CD and BC equal to DA. And ABCD is parallelogram. Okay, understood. This is question 12. Question number 13. From the given figure, find the coordinate of point A. He gives me this information. AB equal EC. And the point A, we don't know the point A. put A equal x and 0 because A lies in x-axis. I will put the coordinate of A equal x and 0, and point B was 3 and 7, and point C 14 and 4. First, we can find the length of AB. Listen, AB 3 minus x power 2 and 7 minus 0 power 2 will be 49. And what about BC? B and C here, 14 minus 3 power 2 14 minus 3 power 2 and 4 minus 7 power 2. 14 minus 3 11 power 2 121. 4 minus 7 negative 3 power 2 is 9. 121 plus 9, it will be 130. Okay, it's PC. Okay, and AB here, he gives me this information, AB equal EC. Understood? We can write AB and BC equivalent. Then square root of 3 minus x all power 2 plus 49 equivalent to square root of 130. Then if we put square power 2 left hand side and power 2 right hand side, then under square root here 3 minus x power 2 plus 49 equal 130. Then we can solve the equation. Move 49 to left hand side, from left hand side to right hand side, then we have 3 minus x all power 2 equal 130 subtracted by 49. 10 minus 9 equal 1. 12 minus 8 equal 12 minus 4 equal 8. Then 3 minus x power 2 equal 81. When can find 3 minus x equal positive or negative, square root of 81 equal 9. Then we have two solutions. The first, 3 minus x equal 9 and 3 minus x equal negative 9. 3 minus x equal 9, then x will be negative 6. X will be negative 6. And 3 subtracted by what equal negative 9? X will be 6. Not 6. We can move x here and it will be 12. Then we have two solutions of x. X will be negative 6 or 12. 3 minus 12 is negative 9, and 3 minus 6, it will be 9. Then the value of x will be negative 6 or 12. You have two solutions about this question. Understood? Then the coordinate of point A will be what? A will be negative 6 and 0 or 12 and 0. What is the correct? The correct here will be 12 and 0 because A lies in x-axis positive. Then x negative 6, not solution, but the solution correct will be 12 and 0. Then the coordinate of point here about A will be 12 and 0 because point A lies in x-axis positive. Then we can cancel x equal negative 6 and find about this coordinate. Next question. Lies, marina cities. Lighthouse costs line. Both through the maximum range is the reaches to seabird. Does the right reach is the shape is the showing location. Okay, you want to find here distance. We have first light cased light, both the maximum range of the lights is it reaches the seabird reach the ship. Okay, 1 2 3. Does the light reach, he asked about right, reach the ship in the shown location or not? Okay, in this example he give me the light from A going by the circle to the point C. He asked the distance from A to C equivalent to AB or not, be here or here. We can find the length of EC and the length of AB. If AB equivalent to EC or less than, then the light come to the ship. But if EB greater than EC, the light can't go into the ship. Okay? So I will comparing between the length of EC first. Take the coordinate. Listen to me. The coordinate here of the point A. Point A here was 2 and 7. And point B was 11 and 10. And point C 10 to 4. Okay, we have 2 and 7, 11 and 10, 10 and 4. First step, we can find the distance about the light from A to C, the light of the lighthouse going to C, from A to C. 10 minus 2 equal 8 power 2 is 64. 4 minus 7 negative 3 power 2 equal 9. 9 plus 64 equals 73. Then the length of EC equals square root of 73. Again, we have 10 and 4. Point C 10 and 4. And point P, point A 2 and 7. The distance 10 minus 2 8, 8 power 2 64, and 4 minus 7 negative 3 power 2 9. Then the length between AC square root of 73 units, length unit. Now we can find the length of AB. Look, A and B here. We can write square root 11 minus 2 power 2 and 10 minus 7 power 2. 11 minus 2 9. 9 power 2 equal 81. 10 minus 7 3. C power 2 is 9. 81 plus 9 is 90. The result will be 3 square root of 10. What's the distance? Look at AB is greater than EC. What's the meaning of this? The meaning of point A here, we have light going to the point C, but point B out. Then the light can't go into the ship P. Then the light can't go to ship B. It's impossible because the light going from A to C and the distance between A and B greater than EC. The light about lighthouse can't go. Then the light reach the ship or no? No, not going to the ship. Next question, sport. The graph shows the position for 3 players, player A and B and C, during a part of letter ball match. Player A throw the ball to player B, A to B, who throw point C. Then player C return to the point A. Find the distance in meter and covered by ball, assuming it moves the straight line. Okay, first from A to P, and then B to C and C to A. We can find the distance about 3 points. First, point A, the order of point A 4 and 8, and point P 12 and 2, and point C 21 and 14. Then start about AB. Square root 12 minus 4, 8, 8 power 2 equals 64, plus 2 minus 8, negative 6 power 2 36. The result will be square root of 100 equal 10 length unit. This is AB. And BC equal square root of 21 minus 12, 14 minus 2 power 2. 21 minus 12 is 9. 9 power 2 equal 81. 14 minus 2 12. 12 power 2 144. Then square root of 81 plus 144. The result will be 15 length units. Okay, he tell me 1 unit equal 2 meter. Each time he ate 2 meter. Never mind. Then we can find the lengths B and BC, and then CA. Look, C and A, we can write 21 minus 4 power 2 and 14 minus 8 power 2. 21 minus 4 power 2 equal 289. 14 minus 8, 6. 6 power 2, it will be 36. That's 36. The result will be, and then find square root equal 5 root 13. Okay, this CA. 21 minus 4 is 19. Is 17. 17 power 2 plus 14 minus 8, 6. 6 power 2 is 36. Square root of answer, the result will be 5 root 13. Okay, understood? This 3 distance. First 1 meter. The distance 1 would be 10 meter, and second 15 meter, and the third 5 root 13. Okay, understood? The given figure, we have point A and B and C in the middle. He won't find the length of AB plus OC. AB plus OC. Okay. C is the midpoint between 2 points. We can find the order of point C first. Look at here. We have straight line passing through 2 points. Okay, listen to me. I will draw. He won't find the value of EB plus OC. Okay. Pay attention. We have coordinate like this. This point P, M and 3, and point A negative 4 and 9, and point C in the middle. We can put the point C, the order will be 0 and Y. Okay, it's order of the point C. C is the midpoint between A and B. Then point C, 0 and Y equal, we can write negative 4 plus M divided by 2, because it's the middle here in the midpoint. Okay, then M plus negative 4 divided by 2, and 3 plus 9 divided by 2. 3 plus 9 divided by 2. Then the first equal first and second equal second. Then 0 equal negative 4 plus M over 2, and Y equal 3 plus 9, 12 divided by 2, 6. Then Y here will be 6. And M 2 times 0, 0. Then M will be equal 4. Negative 4 plus 4 equals 0. Then M will be 4. Then we found here order point C 0 and 6, and B 4 and 3. He won't find the length of EP plus OC. Okay, we can find AB. The distance between 2 points. 4 minus 4, it will be 4 plus 4, 8. 8 power 2 equals 64. 3 minus 9, negative 6. Power 2 is 36. In the length will be 10 length unit. EP 10 length unit. And then we can find the length of OC. OC here, we have 0 and 0, and this 0 and 6. 0 power 2 and 6 power 2. And the result will be 6 length unit. In the distance between AP plus OC, AB plus OC equal 10 plus 6 equals 16 length unit. The distance will be 16 length unit. Okay, this is question number 16. Next question down. This side length equals this side length. We have point A, I will put 0 and Y, and here 0 and 0. And we have negative 8 and 4, it will be point B. We know AB equal to EO. EB equal square root 0 minus 8 will be 8 power 2, it will be 64. 8 minus this y, okay, this y and this 4. Y minus 4 power 2. The distance between these 2 points A and O equals square root of 0 power 2 plus y power 2 equal y power 2. Then the distance here equals square root of y power 2. Then under square root here 64 plus y minus 4 power 2 equal y power 2. You can simplest write 64 equal to 64 plus y minus 4 power 2 equal y power 2. You can complete this example. Write 64 plus y power 2 negative 2 times 4 8 y plus 16 equal y power 2. We can cancel y power 2 by y power 2, and then we can write 8y move here and 16 plus 64. 6 plus 4 10 0 and carry up 1. 2 plus 6 equal 8. Then y will be 80 divided by 8 equal 10. Y equal 10 length unit. Then the height here will be 10. The base 10 length unit from 0 to 10. This 10, and the height, if we draw line segment here going from negative 8 to 4, then the height will be 8. Okay, then the area half times the base times the height. Base here was 10, the base was 10 and the height was 8. Half times 10 times 8, half of 10 5, 5 times 8 equal 40. Then area will be 40 square units. The area will be 40 square units. Last question, okay my students?